This video will guide you through a profound journey of self-discovery, drawing parallels between cosmic phenomena and the human spirit. It empowers you to trust your inner voice, harness your unique strengths, and ultimately follow your path, just as Friedrich Nietzsche advocated. Watching this video can instill the courage to be your true self and enhance your life's trajectory. The theme revolves around individuality, courage, and self-trust. I urge you to watch till the end, remain resilient and open-minded, for each step holds transformational insights that could illuminate your path towards self-confidence. Step 1. Embrace self-knowledge. Understanding the cosmos within. In order to build the courage to trust yourself, it is essential to embark on a journey of self-discovery and embrace self-knowledge. Just as the vast cosmos holds countless mysteries, so too does the inner universe of our minds and souls. By understanding the cosmos within, we can unlock the potential for self-confidence and personal growth. Consider the example of a star shining brightly in the night sky. Each star possesses its own unique qualities, characteristics, and purpose. Similarly, within each of us there exists a vast array of experiences, emotions, and talents that make us who we are. By exploring our inner cosmos, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves, our strengths, and our passions. Much like the stars, we are part of a larger interconnected web of existence. Just as stars contribute to the beauty and harmony of the night sky, our individuality adds to the richness and diversity of the world around us. By embracing self-knowledge, we recognize our place in the grand tapestry of life, and we begin to appreciate our own significance. Consider also the concept of dark matter, a mysterious substance that is believed to make up a significant portion of the universe. Although invisible, its presence is inferred through its gravitational effects on visible matter. Similarly, there may be hidden aspects of ourselves that we have yet to uncover. By delving into our inner cosmos, we can shed light on these hidden aspects and unleash our full potential. Self-knowledge enables us to understand our desires, motivations, and fears. It allows us to recognize our limitations and develop strategies to overcome them. Just as astronomers study the cosmos to gain insight into the workings of the universe, we can study ourselves to gain insight into the workings of the universe. Imagine a telescope pointed towards the stars, capturing breathtaking images of distant galaxies. Similarly, introspection serves as a powerful tool to explore the depths of our souls and gain a clearer perspective on our own inner working. By taking the time to reflect and ask ourselves meaningful questions, we can uncover hidden truths and gain a deeper understanding of our own essence. Step 2. Cultivate inner strength. The star's journey through space. In this step, we explore the concept of cultivating inner strength by drawing parallels with the awe-inspiring journey of a star through the vastness of space. Just as a star faces numerous challenges and adversities, so too do we encounter obstacles on our own personal journeys. By understanding the resilience and determination of a star, we can gain insight into how to cultivate our own inner strength. Imagine a star, millions of light years away, shining brightly in the night sky. This star has overcome tremendous obstacles to reach its current state. It began its journey as a molecular cloud, a collection of gas and dust floating through space. Over time, the gravitational forces within the cloud cause it to collapse, forming a protostar. As the protostar continues to collapse, its core becomes hotter and denser, eventually reaching a critical point where nuclear fusion ignites. This fusion process unleashes an incredible amount of energy, causing the star to shine brilliantly. However, this newfound energy also generates an outward pressure that balances the gravitational forces trying to collapse the star. Here, we can draw a parallel between the star's journey and our own lives. We all face moments of collapse, where the weight of our challenges and hardships feels overwhelming. It is during these times that we must summon our inner strength and find the energy within ourselves to ignite our own metaphorical fusion. Just as the star's fusion process generates a counterbalancing force, we too must learn to tap into our inner strength to push back against the forces that try to bring us down. This inner strength can be cultivated through self-reflection, perseverance, and a belief in our own capabilities. Consider a person facing a difficult situation, such as starting a new job or pursuing a passion. Initially, they may feel overwhelmed by the challenges and uncertainties that lie ahead. However, by tapping into their inner strength, they can ignite their own metaphorical fusion and find the energy to persevere. Similar to how a star's fusion process sustains its luminosity, our inner strength empowers us to shine brightly amidst adversity. It provides us with the resilience and determination needed to navigate life's challenges and emerge stronger on the other side. Furthermore, just as a star's light can inspire and guide others in the vast darkness of space, our cultivated inner strength can serve as a beacon of inspiration for those around us. By embodying our own strength and fearlessly pursuing our dreams, we can inspire others to do the same. In conclusion, Step 2 of building courage to trust yourself draws a compelling parallel between cultivating inner strength and the journey of a star through space. By understanding the resilience and determination exhibited by a star, we can gain valuable insights into how to cultivate our own inner strength. Just as a star overcomes obstacles to shine brightly, we too can tap into our inner strength to navigate challenges and emerge stronger. This step serves as a reminder that within each of us lies a wellspring of strength waiting to be harnessed, empowering us to follow our own path and trust ourselves. Stay strong, watch till the end, and embrace the transformative power of cultivating inner strength. Step 3. Harness the power of intuition. The quantum physics of decision-making intuition is a remarkable and often underestimated aspect of human cognition. It is a subtle yet powerful force that can guide our decision-making process. To understand the concept of intuition, let us delve into the realm of quantum physics, where particles behave in mind-boggling ways. In the quantum world, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to a phenomenon called superposition. Similarly, our minds can entertain various possibilities and perspectives when making decisions. Just as particles can collapse into a definitive state when observed, our intuition helps us collapse the myriad of possibilities into a single course of action. Consider the famous double-slit experiment in quantum physics. When a beam of particles such as electrons is fired at a barrier with two slits, they exhibit wave-like behavior, creating an interference pattern on the screen behind. However, when we observe which slit the particles pass through, they behave as particles and the interference pattern disappears. This demonstrates the influence of the observer's intention on the behavior of the particles. Similarly, our intuition serves as the observer in our decision-making process. It gathers information from our experiences, emotions, and subconscious mind, allowing us to tap into a deeper understanding. It can guide us towards the most aligned and authentic choices, just as the observation collapses the wave-like behavior of particles into a specific outcome. Imagine you are faced with a career decision. You have meticulously analyzed the pros and cons, gathered advice from friends and family, and conducted extensive research. Yet something within you leans towards a different path, a gut feeling that defies logical reasoning. This is where intuition comes into play. It takes into account not only the tangible factors, but also the subtle cues that may elude our conscious mind. Let us draw an analogy to the quantum world to further illustrate this concept. In quantum physics, particles can tunnel through energy barriers, a phenomenon known as quantum tunneling. This implies that particles can traverse seemingly impenetrable obstacles without following the conventional path. In a similar vein, our intuition can guide us towards decisions that may appear unconventional or contrary to the expected norms. Think of a time when you followed your intuition against all odds. Perhaps you chose a different major in college, started a business, or pursued a passion that others deemed impractical. By trusting your intuition, you may have experienced unforeseen opportunities and personal growth, akin to the particles tunneling through barriers and discovering new paths. It is crucial to note that intuition should not be mistaken for impulsive decision-making. Intuition is a deep knowing that arises from a place of inner wisdom. It requires honing our self-awareness and attuning ourselves to the subtle signals from our intuition. This can be achieved through practices such as meditation, journaling, or simply taking quiet moments to listen to our inner voice. In conclusion, harnessing the power of intuition is a vital step towards building the courage to trust yourself. Just as quantum physics reveals the fascinating behavior of particles, our intuition allows us to tap into a higher level of consciousness and make decisions that align with our true selves. By embracing and cultivating our intuition, we can navigate life's complexities with greater clarity and authenticity. So stay strong, watch till the end, and unlock the transformative potential of your intuition. Step 4. Celebrate your individuality. The unique pattern of every snowflake in this step. We explore the concept of individuality and the importance of embracing our unique qualities. Just like every snowflake that falls from the sky, each person possesses a distinct pattern and essence that sets them apart from others. By celebrating our individuality, we can develop the courage to trust ourselves and confidently navigate our own paths, as Nietzsche advocated. Consider a snowfall on a winter day. As the temperature drops, tiny ice crystals form in the atmosphere. These crystals serve as the foundation for the creation of snowflakes. Now, one might assume that all snowflakes are identical, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Each snowflake, despite being composed of the same basic elements, possesses a unique structure and pattern. The formation of a snowflake begins when a water droplet freezes onto a dust particle in the atmosphere. As more water vapor freezes onto this initial crystal, it starts to grow arms or branches called dendrites. The specific temperature and humidity conditions surrounding each snowflake determine the intricate details of its formation, resulting in a one-of-a-kind design. Similarly, as humans, we are shaped by our experiences, upbringing, and the environment around us. These factors contribute to our individuality, shaping our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Just like the snowflake's pattern, our uniqueness lies in the intricate combination of these elements. Embracing our individuality allows us to appreciate the beauty within ourselves and others. It is easy to fall into the trap of comparison, constantly measuring our worth against others. However, this only leads to self-doubt and a lack of trust in our abilities. By recognizing that we are like snowflakes with our own distinct qualities, we can break free from this cycle and celebrate our uniqueness. Imagine a world where every snowflake tried to mimic the pattern of another. It would result in a monotonous landscape, devoid of the breathtaking diversity we associate with snowfall. Similarly, when we try to conform to societal expectations or emulate others, we stifle our true selves and limit our potential for growth and fulfillment. To trust ourselves, we must embrace our individuality and recognize that it is the very essence of our being. Our unique qualities, talents, and perspectives are what make us valuable contributors to the world. Just as a snowflake brings beauty to the winter landscape, our individuality enriches the tapestry of humanity. By celebrating our individuality, we also foster a sense of authenticity and self-acceptance. When we accept and love ourselves for who we truly are, we become more confident in our decision-making and more resilient in the face of challenges. We no longer seek validation from external sources, but instead trust our own judgment and intuition. In conclusion, Step 4 reminds us to celebrate our individuality, just as every snowflake possesses a unique pattern. Embracing our uniqueness allows us to trust ourselves and cultivate authenticity. Like the diverse snowflakes that adorn a winter landscape, our individuality enriches the world around us. So, let us find the courage to embrace our distinct qualities, celebrate our individuality, and trust ourselves to follow our own path. As Nietzsche advocated, stay strong and continue watching the video to unlock further insights that will empower you on your journey of self-discovery. Step 5. Challenge your fear. The comet's encounter with the sun fear is a powerful emotion that often holds us back from reaching our full potential. In this step, We draw inspiration from the encounter between a comet and the sun to understand the importance of challenging our fears and embracing the unknown. Imagine a comet hurtling through space, its journey marked by darkness and uncertainty. As it approaches the sun, fear may naturally arise. The intense heat, the gravitational pull, and the unknown outcome can all evoke a sense of trepidation within the comet. Similarly, in our lives, we often encounter situations that trigger fear. It could be embarking on a new career path, entering a new relationship, or facing a challenging decision. The fear of the unknown can be paralyzing, preventing us from taking the necessary steps to grow and evolve. But let us consider what happens when the comet confronts its fear and ventures closer to the sun. As it enters the sun's gravitational field, it experiences a powerful force pulling it in. At the same time, the intense heat begins to transform the comet's icy exterior, creating a magnificent tail that stretches out behind it. This cosmic dance between the comet and the sun exemplifies the transformative power of challenging our fears. By facing our fears head-on, we expose ourselves to new possibilities and opportunities for growth. Just as the comet's encounter with the sun leads to a stunning transformation, confronting our fears can lead to personal growth, resilience, and a newfound sense of empowerment. Let's bring this concept closer to home with a relatable example. Consider Sarah, a talented artist who dreams of showcasing her artwork in a prestigious gallery. However, the fear of rejection and criticism holds her back from taking the necessary steps to pursue her dream. Sarah's fear is like the comet's fear of approaching the sun. It keeps her in a state of stagnation, preventing her from experiencing the full potential of her artistic ability. But if Sarah can summon the courage to challenge her fear, she might take the courageous step of submitting her artwork to the gallery. As Sarah confronts her fear, she enters the metaphorical gravitational field of the sun, where she feels the pull of her ambition and passion for art. This gravitational force propels her forward, encouraging her to take further action. She begins to engage with other artists, attend exhibitions, and immerse herself in the art community. Just as the comet's icy exterior transforms into a magnificent tail, Sarah's encounter with her fear transforms her perspective. She becomes more resilient, learning from rejections and criticisms, and using them as stepping stones to improve her craft. With each step she takes, her artwork evolves, and her confidence grows. Ultimately, Sarah's decision to challenge her fear and pursue her dream leads to her artwork being showcased in the gallery. She becomes an inspiration to others, encouraging them to confront their fears and pursue their passions. In summary, Step 5, challenge your fear. The comet's encounter with the sun reminds us of the transformative power of confronting our fears. Just as the comet's encounter with the sun leads to a stunning transformation, facing our fears can lead to personal growth, resilience, and empowerment. By challenging our fears, we open ourselves up to new opportunities and possibilities, propelling us forward on our journey towards self-trust and personal fulfillment. Step 6. Learn from mistakes. The cosmic dance of black holes and galaxies in the vast expanse of the cosmos. We witness a fascinating phenomenon known as the cosmic dance, where galaxies collide and black holes devour stars. This celestial ballet teaches us a valuable lesson about embracing our mistakes and learning from them. Imagine a galaxy, a majestic collection of billions of stars, swirling in harmony. However, in the vastness of space, galaxies occasionally collide. These collisions can be violent and chaotic, disrupting the peaceful balance that once existed. But within this chaos, something remarkable occurs. When galaxies collide, their stars often pass close to one another, exerting gravitational forces that can disrupt their orbits. Some stars might be flung into space, while others are captured by the gravitational pull of the other galaxy, leading to a complex interweaving of stellar systems. This process can create new stars, galaxies, and even trigger the birth of black holes. In this cosmic dance, we find a parallel to our own lives. Just like galaxies, We too experience collisions and disruptions. We make mistakes, face challenges, and encounter unexpected circumstances. However, it is through these experiences that we have the opportunity to learn and grow. And when a mistake occurs, it is natural to feel disappointment, frustration, or even despair. We may question our abilities and doubt our worth, but similar to the cosmic dance, it is within these moments of chaos that we have the chance to forge new paths, discover hidden strengths, and learn valuable lessons. Consider the formation of black holes, the enigmatic cosmic entities that possess immense gravitational pull. Black holes are born when massive stars collapse under their own weight, creating a point of infinite density. They possess a gravitational force that is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. In our own lives, mistakes can be likened to these black holes. They may seem overwhelming, all-consuming, and capable of swallowing us whole. But just as black holes have a profound impact on the surrounding space, mistakes have the potential to shape us in profound ways. When we embrace our mistakes, we open ourselves to self-reflection and growth. We can examine the choices we made, the actions we took, and the consequences they had. By understanding the root causes of our mistakes, we gain valuable insights into our own patterns of behavior, beliefs, and motivations. For example, let's consider a person who made a significant error in judgment, resulting in negative consequences for themselves and others. At first, they may be devastated by their mistake, feeling immense regret and guilt. However, by delving into the circumstances that led to their error, they may realize that it was driven by fear, insecurity, or a lack of self-awareness. This newfound understanding empowers them to make better choices in the future. They become more attuned to their emotions, develop the courage to confront their fears, and cultivate a deeper sense of self-trust. In essence, they transform their mistake into a catalyst for personal growth and resilience. Just as galaxies continue their cosmic dance after a collision, we too can move forward from our mistakes. We must remember that mistakes are not indicative of our worth or potential. They are mere stepping stones on our journey towards self-improvement and self-discovery. Step 7. Trust your journey. The uncharted path of a shooting star. In this final step, we delve into the concept of trusting your journey, embracing the unknown, and navigating uncharted territories, just like a shooting star. To truly understand the significance of this step, let's explore the captivating nature of shooting stars and how they parallel our own lives. Imagine a dark night sky scattered with twinkling stars, and suddenly a streak of light shoots across the heaven. This magnificent display of a shooting star captures our attention and fills us with wonder. But have you ever stopped to consider the journey of a shooting star and how it relates to our own paths in life? Shooting stars are actually small space debris, such as meteoroids or asteroids, that enter the Earth's atmosphere. As they travel through the vast expanse of space, they encounter various forces that shape their journey. Similarly, in our lives, we encounter countless experiences, challenges, and opportunities that mold our path. The journey of a shooting star can be seen as a metaphor for embracing the unknown and embarking on uncharted paths. Just as shooting stars leave a trail of light behind them, our own journeys are marked by the impact we make on the world and the lessons we carry with us. When we trust our journey, we relinquish the need for complete control and embrace the uncertainty that accompanies personal growth. Sometimes, the most remarkable experiences and transformations occur when we step outside of our comfort zones and venture into the unknown. Consider the example of a shooting star traveling through the vastness of space. It encounters gravitational forces, solar winds, and other celestial bodies that influence its trajectory. Similarly, in life, we encounter external forces that shape our journey, such as societal expectations, relationships, and unforeseen circumstances. However, just like a shooting star, we possess an inner compass that guides us through these influences. Trusting your journey means having faith in your own abilities, intuition, and resilience. It means acknowledging that there will be moments of uncertainty and challenges, but having the confidence to navigate through them. Just as a shooting star continues its path despite encountering obstacles, we too can persevere and stay true to ourselves. Let's consider a shooting star's final destination. As it approaches the Earth's atmosphere, it creates a breathtaking display known as a meteor shower. Countless shooting stars illuminate the sky, leaving spectators in awe. Similarly, when we trust our journey and remain steadfast in our pursuit of self-discovery, we bring light and inspiration to those around us. By embracing the uncharted path of a shooting star, we invite serendipity and the potential for extraordinary experiences into our lives. We open ourselves up to new perspectives, opportunities, and personal growth. Trusting our journey allows us to break free from the confines of societal expectations and follow our authentic desires. In conclusion, Steve 7 reminds us to trust our journey, just as a shooting star trusts its path through the vastness of space. By embracing the unknown, staying true to ourselves, and having faith in our abilities, we can navigate uncharted territories with courage and resilience. Trusting our journey not only brings personal fulfillment, but also allows us to inspire others through the light we radiate. So stay strong, remain steadfast, and watch the video till the end to unveil the transformative power of trusting your journey.